give you some one-on-one tutorial on the Broadus Collection, scarf collection that I'm speaking on. Snoop, how you put your scarf on? What's the proper way to put your scarf on? So I'm gonna give you a lesson today. Quick little tutorial on how to put a scarf on your motherfucking head. First of all, you gotta pick out the right scarf. So you see the Broadus Collection, we got different color scarves. We got the camouflage, the rainbow, psychedelic. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I like this yellow. This alright with y'all? I'm gonna go with this yellow. So, first thing you do is, you gotta get the angles right. See that? Angles. Over the top, laying down, go around the back, crisscross, secure, crisscross secure. Lift it up off your eyes so you can see what you're doing. So you take the right hand, cross it with the left hand, and then you spin it. You get up under that thing, bang, tie him in a knot. Come back around with the double knot. Boy Scout. Take the two pieces that's hanging, slide them in there, flip this back over, and there you have it.